Are you in there somewhere? What are you doing? Hmm? What are you doing? Are you playing? How old are we now? 3 months? I know your mom has it down to the second. Hi, darling. How you doing? What you doing? Are you playing? Hmm? Yeah. You get your feet kicking too? Look at you. You're just too much. Yeah. Yeah. Get it. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. What are you doing? There you go. There you go. There you go, you silly munchkins. You silly munchkins. Are you silly munchkins, huh? Yeah. See? You're being a good guy. You make me laugh. Oh, what's going on over there? Look at you. You're just getting so smart. Yeah. What's going on there? A squeaky bed, huh? Hi. Hey, munchkins. Hey, munchkins. What are you doing? You're so coy. You're so coy. Hi. I'm going to have to put all these together so you can see them later. Are you going to talk to me? Yeah. Tell me. Tell me all about it. Yeah. Yeah. You can tell me all about it? Hmm? Yeah. Oh, is that right? Come on. Tell me. Yeah. Oh, look at you. Are you a ham? Are you a ham? I think so. Goodness gracious. See, I guess you're not missing your mom too much for the first day, huh? I thought you might be double trouble and crying 'cause you miss your mother. But no, you got your Grammy here. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. We're having fun, huh? Yeah. You can tell me? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, who's that in the mirror? Is that a monkey face in the mirror? Huh? Yeah, a monkey face in the mirror. I gotta put some stickers on the back of this. Yeah. Is that right? Tell me all about it. Yeah. Yeah. I think you're laughing at me. Are you laughing at me? Huh? Are you laughing at me? Let's see. Wait, what's going on around here? Hello. Hey, monkey face. Hey, monkey face. What you doing? What you doing? Yeah, what's going on over here, huh? You playing with your toys? Hmm? Yeah, look at there. You're getting so big. Look at all that. Mhm. See, Grammy thinks you should be sleeping, or your mommy does, and I can't help it. You want to play. You just want to play. I think you're getting bigger. Hey, Bubbles. Hey, Bubbles. What are you doing? What are you doing? What you doing, huh? Huh? Okay, we better go. Yeah. But you keep smiling, and I'm gonna go if you keep smiling. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not gonna have a phone with any battery. Yes. Are you being a good boy? You're being a very good boy. Uh-huh, you are. You gonna tell me your troubles? Huh? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. Yeah, tell me. Tell me. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.